So you're at the end of your mobile phone contract, or you've decided you want to swap provider because they've got a better SIM-only deal. You want to take your number with you, but you're absolutely dreading making the call. At the moment, if you do want to take your number, you have to call up and request a porting authorization code. That means sitting on hold, pressing the numbers, press 1 for this, press 2 for that, waiting for an advisor to speak to you, and actually having to speak to the advisor as well, as they try and retain you rather than just giving you the information you want. Well, as of the 1st of July, all that's about to change. The mobile industry has a new system in place allowing you to get your porting authorization code with one simple text. So with this new process, you can request it online, normally via your provider's website, or you can simply send a text message. There are 2 different codes you might want to consider getting. The most common one, and the one you're probably likely to want, is the porting authorization code. That code will allow you to transfer your number from your existing provider to your new provider. To get that code, you'll need to send a text message to 65075, and the text message just needs to say PAC, P-A-C. If you've decided you want to move provider but you don't want to keep your number, you want a brand new number, you can also text the word STAC to 75075. That will terminate your existing number and you'll start with a brand new number, and the idea of the STAC is that you will not be double billed, so there won't be an overlap in billing. It will stop and start on the same day. One thing to note on Android devices is there's often an inbuilt check that if you're sending a text message to a short code, it will pop up with a message warning you that there may be some additional costs incurred. This is where you're maybe entering a competition via SMS. In the case of these PAC and STAC requests, the text message will be free of charge. When you send these codes, your existing provider should text you back very quickly with your requested code and also any information that's pertinent to your remaining contracts. For example, if you're going to have to pay any termination fees. Once you've received your code, you'll need to provide that to your new supplier, and they need to use that within 30 days. They'll arrange the transfer or the termination of your existing number. So now you know, very quick and easy method of getting your code. One thing I would say though, you can still call up to request the code, and that's a great option if you're actually happy with your provider but just want a better deal. Go through to the cancellation teams, do a bit of haggling. Hope you found this short guide useful. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, join my tech tribe. I'll be back next week with a review.